Hello, we are here this afternoon with David Estapé from M&W Group. I'm going to pose a few questions to David about the upcoming ISPE European Biotechnology Conference that will be hosted in Strasbourg in November in France. Hello David, why the Biotechnology Conference now?
I am happy that you make me this question because for a long time have not been an ISPE conference fully dedicated to biotechnology. And I think a lot of things had happened and are happening right now in the industry that we can bring all the people together and have a look to it and discuss what is happening. And this, for instance, is reflected in the new guides that ISPE is going to be publishing at the end of this year, maybe later at the beginning of next year, dedicated to biotech in process and facilities, and that they will replace the guide from 2004. It's 8 years and things are changing. It's time to update.
So David, what is currently happening in the biotech industry?
We are thinking to look into 4 different areas. First, we are looking into the technology. There, of course, single-use equipment is a reality, but now the whole industry is transition. How is this transition happening? This is in the short run. In the long run, we also would like to look, for instance, in continuous processing and how this will affect the industry or the facilities. At the same time, we have challenges to the regulatory. This is challenge in the process validation, with big difference between US and Europe, but also there is challenges in how we should be, the environment where we be processing is a CNC environment against or a difference to clean room classification, and also the concept of segregation. Can we bring the things all in a ballroom concept type? The third block is focusing in efficiency. Efficiency in the production with applying production excellence and how this is changed the way we are going to organize a facility and operate a facility, but also in the looking how, for instance, quality by design will bring efficiency or should bring efficiency into product development, also approval of the products, and afterwards in the production. And the final, the most important maybe, is to look in the full life cycle of the product, of the biotech product. I think these 4 big areas can bring together an overview into what's going on at this moment in biotech.
Who should attend this conference?
I cannot mention any particular group. I think anyone today is involved in biotech for any reason, from engineering to producers to product developers to regulatory people, to know which challenges we are facing or we are going to face in the short and maybe others in the long term.
David, what will the delegates take home to their jobs?
Wow, I cannot summarize any details in that. I think this will, when we come and through all the speakers we will have, I think will be a lot of details to take at home. But one, from my point of view, what it brings together is a look into the future. And that when we are back home to our normal jobs, everyday job, we can start to imagine how these tasks we are doing every day are going to transform in the next coming years or in the long run, because only by this biotechnology will be up to date.
Thank you very much. I appreciate your time.
Thanks to you, and I'm really personally looking forward to see all the biotech community at our ISPE conference for biotech in Strasbourg, France, between the 13th and the 14th of November.
Thank you.